Hello, hello. It's another weekend again, and a drink tonight is gonna be the GIMLET. It's a local GIMLET actually. Well, I've used this local gin. It's lime gin anyway, so that's good. And then I get the cherry. This is garnish in it, and then I got the sweet and sour, and then herbs. This is the Hilbas. It's a local herbs, and then a local things. It's not a key lime, it's a calamansi. All right, so glass, rock glass. Let me get some straw. And then ice is like really simple drinks. You know, you can do it in your house. Maybe if you don't have lime or lemon, just use calamansi and then sugar syrup. Just make it sweet and sour, and gin. That's really good. But internationally, they call it a GIMLET. You know, it's a simple. Lots of barley using the cordial, lime cordial, and then a gin. But if you use the fresh one, that's really good. It's more than the cordial, you know. It's not fresh. Safety first. This is the calamansi. Let me slice the calamansi. Really fresh from my backyard, and this from my backyard also. The Hilbas. It's herbs, you know. It's a minty flavored also. So ice in the glass, about a scoop. I can just pre-pour, but you know, let me use the jigger so that you guys can like measure, you know, exactly. Once you're doing with your friends at home or not in the bar. In the bar, like you're looking for the costing, you know, so that's why you always use a jigger. Now if you're expert, so you can just pre-pour, but if you're not, just it's better to use a jigger so that you can measure everything, right? So it's gin lime, the bar. This is a local gin. To Jigger. That's to Jigger. And then squeeze the calamansi. You can smell it, it's really good. All right, add a little bit of ice, start to melt. And then a jigger of the sweet and sour. Here we go. This is your simple local GIMLET. So you can just do it at home, you know, use the regular gin and that's good. Or you can use this gin also. But that's what I'm saying, it's like internationally they call a GIMLET. So this is the Hilbas as a garnish, and then we add the cherry. All right, and then straw or without straw whenever you drink, you know. Some people doesn't like straw, so some people want straw. But if you are in the bar, you always use this straw. Except the martini, you know. There we go. So this is your local GIMLET. See the color, the texture, the garnish. It's really amazing. Enjoy. Before we end up, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram, and then my Facebook page also, the Naked Mixology. And thank you so much for the subscription, and there's some more coming in, you know, so I thank you so much. I see you soon again. Voila.